Do you ever find yourself longing for a more abundant and fulfilling life? Have you tried various manifestation techniques without finding the results you're looking for? Well, you're not alone. Many individuals are searching for effective ways to manifest their desires and create a life of abundance. In this video, we'll explore a powerful technique that has been gaining attention in recent years: speaking words before sleep. Join us as we dive into the science behind this method and discover the secrets to creating a life of abundance. Neville Goddard, a renowned author and lecturer, introduced a powerful technique that harnesses the power of speaking words before sleep. This technique, often referred to as the feeling as if technique, revolves around entering into a state akin to sleep and fostering the feeling of our desires already fulfilled. The essence of this technique lies in acting, speaking, and thinking as though our desires have already happened in the present tense. Instead of saying, "I want X to happen," we shift to statements like, "I have X," or "X is happening now." By doing so, we move from a state of lack to a state of having, sending a strong signal to both our conscious and subconscious minds that we already possess what we desire. Speaking words before sleep is particularly effective because it allows us to fully immerse ourselves in the feeling state. Falling asleep in an emotional state of fulfillment is ideal for manifesting our desires, as emotions are a powerful tool in shifting our frequency. During the twilight period before sleep, we have the opportunity to become one with our imagined states and daydreams, making it an optimal time to practice the feeling as if technique. Not only does this technique help us align ourselves with the vibration of our wish fulfilled, but it also reprograms our subconscious mind. In our waking state, we often feel disconnected from our imagined states and daydreams. However, as we drift off to sleep, research shows that we enter into a hypnagogic state where we can more easily connect with our desires and beliefs. By using the power of words and the feeling as if technique before bed, we can tap into the subconscious mind's programming abilities. This technique helps us change our thought patterns and beliefs, allowing us to manifest our desires with greater ease. To understand the power of the subconscious mind and its role in manifesting abundance, we must first acknowledge that it is responsible for creating our reality. It can either work for us or against us in manifesting wealth. To harness the power of our subconscious mind, we first need to identify and release any limiting beliefs that may be holding us back. These beliefs can be ingrained in our subconscious through past experiences, societal conditioning, or negative self-talk. Techniques such as affirmations, visualization, and hypnosis can help clear these limiting beliefs and reprogram our mind with positive thoughts and beliefs about wealth and abundance. By programming our subconscious mind with positive beliefs about wealth, we can begin to attract abundance into our lives. Our thoughts and beliefs create a vibrational frequency that resonates with the universe, and by aligning our thoughts with abundance, we can start to manifest wealth and create a successful future. The science behind Neville Goddard's technique lies in brainwaves and the theta state. The theta state is a state of deep relaxation and heightened creativity, often experienced during meditation, hypnosis, and deep sleep. When in the theta state, the subconscious mind becomes more receptive to suggestions and visualizations. Neville Goddard's technique involves using visualization and imagination while in the theta state to manifest desires. By accessing this state, individuals can tap into the power of the subconscious mind and influence their reality. Research has shown that theta brainwaves can enhance problem-solving abilities and boost creativity. Understanding the science behind brainwaves and the theta state can enhance the effectiveness of Neville Goddard's technique. By regularly practicing his technique and aligning the subconscious mind with desired outcomes, individuals can reprogram their subconscious and manifest their desires. This technique harnesses the power of the mind and its ability to shape reality. Now, let's explore some tips and tricks for mastering the art of manifesting so that we can effectively manifest our goals and desires. One important aspect of manifesting is setting clear and specific intentions. Instead of vaguely wishing for something, it is essential to define exactly what we want to manifest. This helps to focus our energy and align our thoughts, feelings, and actions with our desired outcome. Consistency and persistence are key when it comes to manifesting. It is not a one-time practice, but rather a continuous effort. By consistently reinforcing our intentions and taking aligned actions, we strengthen our manifestation process. Journaling and affirmations can be helpful tools in the manifesting process. Writing down our goals and desires in a journal allows us to clarify our intentions and reinforce them on a daily basis. Affirmations, on the other hand, are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves to reprogram our subconscious mind and align it with our desire. Surrounding ourselves with positive energy and like-minded individuals can also enhance the manifesting process. Being in a supportive and uplifting environment can boost our belief in our ability to manifest and attract what we want. It is important to remember that manifesting is not a quick fix. It requires time, effort, and patience. However, by mastering the art of manifesting, we have the power to create a life that aligns with our true desires. As we come to the end of this transformative journey, we hope that you have found value in the power of manifesting abundance through speaking words before sleep. Remember, this technique has the potential to unlock your wildest dreams and bring them into reality. If you resonated with the content of this video, we kindly request you to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you will never miss out on future videos that can help you further enhance your manifestation journey. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Share with us the miracles you have witnessed by implementing the techniques discussed in this video. Before we part ways, we would like to send you our heartfelt blessings on your manifestation journey. May all your desires be brought to fruition, and may you experience an abundance of joy, love, and success. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and remember, the power lies within you to create the life you truly desire. Goodbye for now, and may every dream you speak before sleep become your beautiful reality.